And we are back again with another Get Upside review. So, one thing I want to explain on this review is up here in the top left corner where that green dot is. We're going to click on that. This is how you really make your money off of it. So, say you're at a gas station, you see somebody else pumping gas, you want to make money. Tell them about the Get Upside app. For every one person that you add, you get 1 cent per gallon for every gallon that they get in the future. Not only do you get 1 cent, but you get it for the rest of your life. Back at it again. So anyways, as I was saying, think of it as a pyramid scheme that actually works. So we go over here to invite friends. See, that's the code that you want them to enter when they first initially sign up and log in. As you can see, it says 1 cent per gallon, 15-cent one-time bonus. So you get that on top of the 1 cent for the rest of your life. You click invite friend. You come up here to this bar, and any friend in your contacts you can add. Or if you're at a gas station, you don't have the person's number, you get the number, you punch in 7777, blah, 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 blah. Oops, too many buttons. And then you add their number and you send them an invite. I don't know whose number that is, but that's going to be somebody's. This is going to come up, 15 cents per gallon, blah, blah, blah. They're going to punch that code in when they log on. And you're going to get paid for every gallon that they decide to get for the rest of your life, unless like Souls and Comets hit, wipes out the planet or something. Who knows? Anyways, that's it for this review, and check out the next one. Be easy. Growth and knowledge every day.